Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are going to do an unboxing of the Thank You Kindly kit. You can see I have some information here. I'm going to be doing this kit together on Monday, November 24th at 5:30 p.m. Mountain Time, which is also Arizona time, which means 4:30 Pacific, 6:30 Central, and 7:30 Eastern. It is going to be this Thank You Kindly kit. And we will be doing an unboxing now, but on the actual kit together, we will put some together and we will make some alternatives. We will play some games and have prizes, and it'll just be a fun little get together. It's only about an hour and a half or so, and it will just be a fun time to hang out with fellow crafters live on videos or online. So if you buy this kit, you are automatically going to receive an invitation with the link to the online. So let's go ahead and look. These are beautiful cards. They are just white on white with some black thank you, and we will see if there's anything else. This is my first time opening this up as well, so it'll be a lot of fun here. And these are big. I did not realize they were this big. So they come with cutouts, and I could already tell you that we're going to do some great cards that are made exactly with what is already here. But then I can tell you that we're going to do some good coloring and make some pretty cards as well, coloring some of these pieces. So it comes with a lot of pieces, and we can even use some of this paper to make an alternative card. Oh, my mind is already turning. So we've got that. We've got some card bases, and they are white on white, of course. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8. So there's enough to make 8 cards. Let's see. This looks like we've got some really pretty envelopes as well. We've got all different languages, so that's pretty cool. And what I already know, we're going to make our thank you cards, and then we will make other thank you cards with all of this other stuff as well. We've got alternatives going. This is not going to be just a white on white class, I can guarantee you that. We've got some circles here. Now, of course, I didn't look to see where the circles are coming in. Oh, there's a circle right there. That's where it is. And then we've got some other little circles with leaves, and those will be for the floral pieces. And then we've got some little square pieces. They're textured as well. And I'm looking to see where those will go. Oh, those will go right here. But like I said, we are going to make some different ones. So if you were to order this week, you will have that in time for the November 24th, as long as the kit is still available. It does come with everything you need. We've got dimensionals, we've got some tear tape, and all we need here. And then when we do our alternatives, you might want to have some other cardstock or something on hand, but if not, we will make it all work. So, all right, beauties, I hope you like this. I hope you will join me, and I am so looking forward to getting back to crafting live with you guys. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.